So good morning children. So last class we have discussed up to two types of anesthetics. Okay, one is general anesthetics, another one is local anesthetics. Okay, so when we will give the general anesthetics, so when we are going under major surgery, that means what ma change the internal organism, or it will take more than 5 hours or 6 hours. So we will give what type of anesthetics? General anesthetics. Next one, local anesthetics. Okay, so when we are doing the minor or small surgery, okay, that particular part alone, so we will come to in what way? So without any action. So at that time we will give local anesthetics. For example, dentist, okay, they are going to do something in the dental part. Okay, so in that part alone they will give what? Anesthetics. So that type of anesthetics are called local anesthetics. Okay, so next one, chemical anesthetics. Okay, so first one, nitrous oxide. So what is the chemical formula for nitrous oxide? N2O. Okay, so it is a colorless, non-irritating inorganic gases. Okay, it is an example of inorganic gases. Inorganic gas. Okay, it is the safest of the anesthetic agent. This is used for after mixing general anesthetics like ether. Okay, so N2O plus what is the mixture they are using? Ether. Okay, so first one, nitrous oxide. Okay, second one, chloroform. Okay, CHCl3. So what is the spelling for chloroform? CHLORO. Okay, CHLOROFORM. Chloroform. CHCl3. Okay, it is a volatile liquid. So what is the meaning about volatile liquid? Okay, if you are opening, you are keeping under the room temperature, so automatically it will convert it into gaseous state. Okay, that is nature is called what? Volatile nature. Okay, it has pleasant smell and sweet taste. When oxygen it forms dioxide carbonyl chloride. Okay, when it will react with oxygen to form a new compound, what ma? Toxic carbonyl chloride. Okay, toxic carbonyl chloride. Okay, hence it is not used now. Okay, why it is not using now? Because the chloroform compared with the oxygen to form toxic carbonyl chloride. Because of this, okay, it is very dangerous to human being. Okay, because of this, nowadays we are not using this one. Which one? Second one, chloroform. Okay, first one nitrous oxide, second one chloroform. Okay, third one, ether. Third one, ether. Third one, ether. Okay, so diethyl ether or simple ether. Diethyl ether or simple ether. C2H5O C2H5. That means what is the meaning ma? CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3. Okay, so this one they have done in the short form. Okay, diethyl ether or simple ether is a volatile liquid. Okay, this mixed with a stabilizer like what ma? 0.002% of what? Propyl halide. Okay, this mixture, okay, this ether mixed with what ma? 0.002% of propyl halide. Propyl halide. Okay, propyl halide. Okay, after the absorption by tissues, it attacks the central nervous system. Okay, that is called CNS, central nervous system, and makes a patient to unconscious. Okay, but nowadays they are using ether. Another one is what ma? Nitrous oxide. Also they are using very little. Okay, so instead of chloroform, okay, they are using some other mixes. Okay, later we will see. Okay, next one. So anesthetics is over. Okay, so next topic. So second one, ANALGESI Okay, analgesics. Okay, analgesics. Okay, so that what is the meaning about this one? Okay, so this is called what ma? Painkiller or painkiller. What is the meaning about painkiller ma? Analgesics. Okay, analgesics are painkiller or pain relievers. So what is this one? Okay, it is a compound which relieve. Okay, it is a compound which relieve all sorts of pain without the loss of unconscious. Without the loss of what ma? Consciousness. Okay, without the loss of consciousness, it will remove the pain. Okay, that is called what ma? Analgesics or painkiller or pain reliever. Okay, these are effective in healing headaches, okay, arthralgia, etc. Okay, so how we can apply this one? Okay, either we will apply oral or we have to take in. Okay, we should not take inside. Okay, we have to apply the oral. So when we are feeling the pain in particular area, so we have to take this one. Okay, so it is available in what form? Okay, gel form. Okay, so we have to apply in the particular area, so automatically the pain it will reduce, okay, within 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, that is called what ma? Analgesics. Okay, next one, antipyretics. P-Y-R-E-T-I. Okay, TICs. Okay, antipyretics. Okay, antipyretics are the compound which are used for the purpose of reducing fever. So for purpose we are using this one mama. We are reducing the fever. Fever means what ma? Because of the hardness or coldness. Okay, which one is causes ma? Fever. Okay. So we have to reduce the fever. We are using one of the compounds. Okay, that is called antipyretics. Okay. So lowering the body temperature to the normal. Okay, they are taken orally as a tablets or capsules. Okay, tablets or capsules. Okay, tablets means what ma? It may be in the solid form. Capsules means what ma? They have covered with the like what ma? On rectangular shape. Okay, inside they have kept in where? Kept what ma? Medicines. Okay, the most common antibiotics are aspirin, antipyrin, paracetamol, okay, etc. Okay, so next one, antiseptics. TICS. Okay, antiseptics. So what is mean by antiseptics? Okay, so when we are injured on something, okay, definitely, okay, we will affect. Okay, so we should not affect for this. So we have to take the injection. You have to take the injection. So that is called what ma? Antiseptic. So antiseptic is a substance that prevents infection caused by disease causing microorganisms or pathogens. Okay, so antiseptics means what ma? It is the substance or medicines to prevent the infection caused by the disease like what ma? Microorganisms or pathogens. Okay, so antiseptics either kill the microorganisms or to prevent their growth. Okay, either it will kill the microorganisms or to prevent the growth of the microorganisms. Okay, so antiseptics are used externally to clean wounds or internally to treat the infections of the things. Okay, so what are the things are used as a antiseptics? Okay, so first one, iodoform. Okay, CHI3. Okay, iodoform CHI3. Okay, it is used as a antiseptic. It is used as a antiseptic and its 1% solution as a disinfectant. Okay, 1% solution act as a disinfectant and iodoform also used as a antiseptics. Okay, second one, 0.2% of solution of phenol act as a antiseptic and 1% solution act as a disinfectant. The same way. Okay, last one, hydrogen peroxide. Last one, hydrogen peroxide, H2 Okay, nowadays we are using this one mostly common in the hospitals. Okay, which one? Hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so when we are injured or something, so in that part, okay, they may take one small amount of the hydrogen peroxide, they put it to the part. Okay, so immediately it will remove the dust things or unwanted things from that area. So it will clean the wound or something. Okay, so next one, what ma? Fifth one, anti-malarial. Anti-malarial. Fifth one, anti-malarial. Okay. So, and malaria is what ma? Vector-borne disease. Vector-borne disease which causes severe and fever. Okay, it raises the body temperature of 103 to 160 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, it will raise the temperature what ma? 103 to 106 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, it causes a physical weakness with the side effects in liver and also causes anemia. Okay, so how to control for this one? Okay, so we have to find out the materials, okay, that will be extracted from the either food items or some things. Okay, so next one, antibiotics. Antibiotics. So many microorganisms produces certain chemicals which inhibit the growth or metabolism of some other disease causing microorganisms. Okay, such chemical compounds are known as antibiotics. Antibiotics. Okay, these need to present only in low concentration to be effective in their antibiotic action. Okay, the first antibiotic, what ma'am? Penicillin. Penicillin. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming in the year of 1929. Okay, first antibiotic who was found on Alexander Fleming in the year of 1929. Okay, from the mode Penicillin notatum. Okay, but nowadays they are extracting the antibiotics from where? Bacteria, fungi, or actinomycetes. Okay, but nowadays, so instead of these, okay, they are extracting from the food materials. So what are the food materials? They are going to use as a antibiotics. Okay, first one, honey, garlic, ginger, clove, neem, turmeric powder. Turmeric powder used as a antibiotics. Okay, seventh one, antacids. Seventh one, antacids. So what is mean by antacids? Okay, so often we are taking either oil food item or spicy food items. Okay, sometimes it may feel uncomfortable due to what ma? Some burning sensation of stomach. Okay, burning sensation of stomach. So we have to rectify these types of problems. Okay, so we have to take what ma? Some other food like in the form of medicines, like in the form of what ma? Medicines, that is called drugs. Okay, so these pain relieving products is known as antacids. Okay, so antacids available in what form? Either in the tablet form or syrup, or in what form? Gel form also it is available. So maximum that antacid in what ma? Magnesium hydroxide, or aluminum hydroxide. So anax means maximum it contains oxides, magnesium hydroxide or aluminum hydroxide, in addition to the flavoring of what? Agents and colors. Okay, for sweet taste or color taste, they are adding the additive materials. Okay, because of the additive materials, we are getting the sweetness or color or smell. Okay, so that is called antacids. So which part is over? Pharmaceutical chemistry is over. So pharmaceutical chemistry, first one drug, what is mean by drug, next one classification, next one anesthetics. So many things we have seen. Okay, so next chemistry, electrochemical chemistry. Electrochemistry, third one. Electrochemistry. So first one what chemistry we have seen? Nano. Second one pharmaceutical. Third one electrochemistry. So what is mean by electro? What is mean by electro? So electro means what, ma? Movement of the electrons. Movement of the electrons. Already we know. Or to study the what, electricity. Okay, so it is called electrochemistry. Okay, so we are running so many devices with the help of battery. So what is the uses of battery? So which only supply the power to the electrical sources or devices? Battery. So in the battery, what type of energy is converted into what type of energy? So chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Where? In the battery. Okay, so chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. So electricity is produced by the battery, is the key factor which makes the device to function. Okay, how it will work? Okay, how it will work? Okay, so inside the battery, what type of reaction it will take place? Okay, the chemical reactions it will takes place in that battery. So scientists realize that chemical energy can be converted into electrical energy and vice versa. Electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. To apply the branch of chemistry is known as electrochemistry. It's known as what, ma? Electrochemistry. So electrochemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with the relations between electrical energy and the chemical changes. Okay, electrical energy and the chemical changes. So electrochemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with, mainly focus on where, ma? Electrical energy and chemical change. And chemical change. Okay, so the chemistry is known as electrochemistry. Okay, it mainly concentrated with the process taking place between the electrode and the solutions having ions, that is called electrolyte. So what is mean by electrolyte? Okay, electrolyte is available in the solution form, that means contains ions. Okay, with the help of ions, okay, which one is passing? Electricity is passing one place to another place. Okay, so electrode, maybe it is made up of what form? Okay, either metal or non-metal. Either metal or non-metals. Okay, so next one, electrochemical cell. Okay, electrochemical cells we will see in the next class. Okay, just introduction alone we have seen today. Okay, so today homework, already continuous question number we have given up to 26. Okay, today 27, 28, 29. Okay, so total 3 questions I am going to give now. Okay, first question, 27th question. Okay, write a short note on chemical anesthetics. Write a short note on chemical anesthetics. Okay, question number 28. Question number 28. Write a short note on antibiotics and antacids. Antibiotics and acids. Question number 29. Okay, define electrochemistry. Define electrochemistry. Okay, so remaining part we will see in the next class. Okay, so thank you, children. Thank you.